Hello everyone. I hope you are taking interest in video whatever I am uploading for you and for your kind support in interest of biology. So here I have selected one topic for you, that is respiration. Respiration is a very interesting topic that is little bit different from the breathing. In class 10 CBSE board one question generally come, that is what is differences between respiration and breathing. So here I am going to talk only about the respiration only, little bit I will discuss about the breathing also. Respiration is a biochemical process where food material break down in presence of oxygen, but breathing is a process where human or other animal exchange the gases, that is called as breathing. So here I have prepared one short notes about the respiration that will helpful for your notes preparation. Respiration is a intake of oxygen, okay, where food material, suppose this is the formula of glucose and other food materials break down in presence of oxygen, okay. After breakdown of food material, it release carbon product from this glucose source. So finally intake of oxygen and release of CO2. In this way, biochemical pathway, what will happen? 36 ATP molecules of energy will release, okay. This energy is a energy currency in the human body, okay, which produce and help in the other metabolic function and the life process. Now guys, I am going to explain the respiration types. So you already know there are two types of respiration, that is aerobic respiration, where I have written oxygen means in the presence of oxygen, this process complete in presence of oxygen. Whereas anaerobic process, this is the process where no need of O2, okay, in less presence of oxygen. And here in the question is come, how many amount of ATP come? Here very less amount, negligible amount of ATP produced, but I have written for your kind concept that is 2 molecules of ATP produced, but here in aerobic 36 molecule of ATP produced, okay students. So this is the small concept for the respiration. You can take help. One more diagram I have prepared for you. I am taking you see the diagram, that human lungs, okay. So I am explaining about the human lungs. This is the little bit diagram of the human lungs. This is the lungs cavity, and here I have diagram. See here, it is called as epiglottis, upper region. Suppose here in CBSE board it will given as a. So you have to find out it is the trachea, okay. Trachea is the important. After trachea only, this is the ribs, okay. This rib help in movement and protection of lungs. When we are taking oxygen and releasing CO2, that time contraction and relaxation time, this ribs help, okay. Then pleural membrane, this is the called as pleural membrane, and one fluid is there nearby the pleural membrane, that is called as pleural fluid. So here you can mention pleural fluid. After that guys, here see number of branches are there. So this is the main branch, okay. After this is the second branch. So main branch is called as bronchus, and then sub branch are called as bronchiole. So here it is bronchiole, and after main sub main branch there is a sac like a structure, ball like a structure, that is called as alveoli. Alveoli is also called as air sac. Clear guys? So bronchiole is the subbranchial structure, but bronchus is the main branch structure, okay. And this is the lungs, okay. Now one organ is there downside, that is called as diaphragm. In between diaphragm and lungs, heart is present, okay. So diaphragm help in upward movement and downward movement of lungs during the breathing and exchange of gases. I hope guys this video is very beneficial for you. Please subscribe my channel and like it. Thank you students. Thank you everyone.